Shreya, I'm happy that we're doing this like this.
Finally.
Change, हाँ. नहीं तो मैं आपको आपकी वैनिटी में मिलती हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
या मैं एक प्रॉपर सिट डाउन इंटरव्यू में मिलती हूँ. अब हम चिल कर रहे हैं.
लास्ट टाइम मुझे याद है ताजा खबर सीजन 2
Yeah.
का रैप हुआ था एंड I was on the high of like the show's rap. मैंने एंट्री की और आप सब मेरे वैन में बैठे थे.
And she was like, what? Like there's so many people in my van. What's going on? And we didn't even give you time to breathe.
I know.
मुझे याद है ये कैमरा रेडी कहाँ है? बैठ जाओ.
I know.
She was like, okay.
So I'm glad ये थोड़ा relaxed है.
हाँ, ये relaxed है. We're good right now. But Chal Kapat,
Yes.
which is what that we are here for today.
Yes.
नहीं तो आप busy हैं. आप कहाँ हो?
वैसे मैं तो actually travel कर रही थी. मैं hectic busy नहीं थी. मैं relaxed busy थी.
अच्छा.
If that makes sense.
Yeah, makes
Does that
sense.
make sense?
Yeah, like you were relaxing and chilling.
No, it means that I had enough time to rest while being busy as well.
Oh.
But abhi,
Hmm.
it's obviously hectic right now with promotions and stuff.
everything.
Yes.
Have you gotten yourself okay with promotions now?
You know, I enjoy promotions. Of course, आज मैं ही हूँ speaking to you, but otherwise, मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि आप कास्ट के साथ बैठ के एक नॉस्टैल्जिक होते हो. You talk about, you know, the process. You're reliving those memories.
Yeah.
And it's also a way to just connect with the media.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed Hisha because मुझे glam up होने का मौका मिलता है.
Yeah.
Because a lot of my work I don't get to glam up essentially.
Yeah.
फिर मैं all out जाती हूँ. Get those dresses. Let's go all out. Let's show those legs.
Yeah,
Let's try.
man, look like your hot self. But you know, that's actually one of the things which I wanted to tell you.
Yeah.
Shreya, you're such a pretty girl. Now I want to see you do something which is full hardcore glam.
Even I want to do something which is hardcore glam, but with a good script.
Yeah, absolutely.
Not hardcore glam for the sake of
Yeah,
it.
you are not that person. You won't do it.
But I would love to do something like a White Lotus, something that's a bit like saucy and scandalous, but well written, because eventually आप कुछ भी करे periphery में वो कहानी अच्छी होनी चाहिए.
हाँ.
But my focus, Hesha, has been to reimagine myself, and luckily, so far with the parts I've got, at least I've got to play different versatile people, which
Right.
a lot of actors also seek. You know, so to be able to play a lawyer in Guilty Minds, or a news reporter in
Yeah.
Broken News, or a sex worker in Taza Khabar, and
Yeah.
now a cop.
Yeah.
It means a lot to me that ये मौके मुझे मिले हैं, because all of them are different women,
Yeah.
but rooted in reality. So the
Right.
glam quotient as such is not there because those shows are not mounted like that.
Correct.
But I do understand that sometimes it does affect your perception. It's an industry of perception as well.
True.
So being good at your craft is one aspect,
Yeah.
but all of these little things of how you're presenting yourself also makes a lot of difference.
Yeah, for sure.
So off screen, I make sure I show that side of my personality.
Yeah.
Just so that somewhere you end up spoon feeding people.
Yeah. True.
Because the industry loves to box you.
Yeah, for sure. And that's why when I look at Shreya's Instagram, I'm like, hot. Yeah, she's giving.
She's giving.
Totally not her character
We try
at
to
all.
serve wherever we
Yeah,
can. We
come
try to do
on.
that. And that's my way of kind of showing that I'm also so much more than some of the characters I've played.
Yeah.
And for me, the theme of this year is to be reimagined.
Wow, that's amazing.
Thank
So you make plans. ऐसे हो आप बना लेते हो कि 2025 का ये goal है. This is how I'm going to work
I
on
like to
myself.
make plans because I also feel like you have to also be ready कि वो plan work out ना हो.
Yeah.
But I'm very goal oriented. So I like to know what I'm working towards. But you have to be flexible and flow with it because एक actor की life unpredictable होती है.
True.
And I work best when I set out to do something, and if it's not happening, okay, let me take another path. Let me see what's happening. You have to
Yeah.
creatively find ways. You have to improvise eventually.
Yeah. And I
Even
think
off screen.
that's what I was
Yeah.
coming to, because actors tend to get in the whole zone of improvising, right? And
Yeah.
sometimes it's very difficult कि आप script को match करो या
Yeah.
खुद का improv डालो या sort of balance out
Yes.
करो. Where are you on that plane?
I'm a bit of all right now, I feel. A bit of all. And what's exciting for me is that right now this is the first release of my year.
Yeah.
And my focus is actually a lot more on film work now. I think it's important to maintain that balance.
Yeah.
And although मैंने जो भी choices किए हैं वो purely based on script किए हैं.
हाँ.
So अगर कहानी अच्छी लगी, it can be a short film also. It doesn't matter. So the priority has been that. But because I've had good OTT work, series work behind me,
Yeah.
I'm hungry to do a film. And I had done Dry Day, but that was like an Amazon original. उसमें होली गाना था मेरा, so भड़ास डांस करने की
निकल गई, हाँ.
But I want to do more of it.
Yeah, I mean, I want to see you do full-fledged Bollywood
Let's hope.
romance.
Hira Mandi 2 I get to audition and do some Kathak.
Arey, oh wow, that would be insane, right? Because that side of you would be actually tapped into and explored on a Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
And I'm a
Come
Kathak
on.
dancer. So I wish I had known when the first season was being cast.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping I know when the next season happens.
Be like, chalo, chalo, सबको बताओ.
मैं directly ठुमरी में ही entry करूंगी.
She's like, yo, my Ada.
तोड़े टुकड़े. Yes.
Now all imagine all interviews you start talking in Adas ki like, अरे
अदास की हाँ
हाँ.
yes. वो ग्रीन टी देने आएंगे मैं ऐसे लूंगी ग्रीन टी.
That reminds me, let's call for some food also.
Yes, please.
Can we have someone here for the food?
Always hungry.
Always.
Hungry and hangry.
हाँ,
if you
ये
don't
भी
get
होता है. I get angry very often. Hi, what can you suggest us to eat?
You can try the cheese chido
it. Okay.
one of the famous dish in our restaurant.
Great.
You can try the crispy avocado sushi.
Sounds
Okay,
good.
I love sushi.
Try it, like it.
I also want a fresh lime water with that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet salted mix. Yeah, mix. But
And-
more like on the lemony side.
Okay. Then.
हाँ. Khatta is my.
I have a confession.
Which is?
This is my second lunch that I'm about to have.
Wow.
Because मेरा लंबा press day चल रहा है
चल
तो
रहा
हर
है.
जगह कोई मुझे कुछ खिलाना चाहता है. So out of being polite मैं अभी पानी पूरी खा के आई हूँ.
उसके बाद हम खाएंगे अभी Asian
अभी
sushi.
sushi.
Wow, insane. So this is it. By the end of next week, if we see a healthier Shreya, it's all thanks to us. बोलना ये सारी journalists मुझे खाना ही खिला.
I know.
I don't know क्या
I'm not
problem है.
complaining. I'm not complaining. I'm always happy to
Eat.
try and eat. Yeah.
You are a foodie basically.
Big time. And you know, I take offense because अगर आप किसी को कहते हो that you're a foodie,
Yeah.
immediately सामने से where does it go? अरे पर exercise भी करती हूँ.
Yeah, thank you for saying this. It's a very
Exercise
thin girl
भी करती हूँ.
problem.
And it's, I would say that in fact, feeling hungry or wanting to eat more is also a sign of good health.
Yeah.
So I enjoy it. And the problem is I can't resist, especially like if meetha.
Ah, sweet tooth.
Yeah, it's
Nice.
tough.
So do you cook and all also?
Mentally.
Great. That's a great trait to have.
Mentally. No, honestly, we spoke about like vision board and goals,
Yeah.
right? This year, I wanted to spend time with both my ajis and learn some of their recipes from them because, you know, sometimes it hits you that life is fragile,
Yeah.
age, and for me, legacy is also through food. Culture is also through food.
Yeah.
And जो specific चीजें हैं जो मेरे घर पे ही बनती है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, I like to do that.
Yeah.
And, you know, I often feel like actors or just artists, we're so caught up in the zone of our work and waiting and wanting and all of that. Often we're disconnected from the other aspects of life
Yeah.
because we're in our own bubble.
Yeah.
So I've always been conscious of this कि बाकी जो चीजें हैं, whether spending time with family, घूमना,
हाँ.
just living life,
Yeah.
लोगों से बातें करो, because if you're just in your bubble, where
Yeah.
are you also going to absorb and learn from?
True. Yeah, you have to be an observer also, na? If you're an
Correct.
actor. Yeah.
So when I travel, a lot of it is because I love it, but
Mm.
also I feel like I fill my cup. When I
Great. That's amazing. Okay, tell me something. Are you critical about work
in terms of like watching
when you watch your
myself,
own self? Yeah.
I'm as critical as anyone should be, I guess, but I'm not hard on myself. I used to be very hard on myself. I think you always, when you watch your work, you feel like there's so much more that you could have done, you can do.
Yeah.
But somehow, when I watch myself, I accept it for what it is. And I make mental notes of ये better हो सकता था या ये नहीं.
नहीं.
But I'm not only watching me, I'm watching the whole product.
Right.
I'm seeing if the story works.
Right.
I do know a lot of actors are, I don't know if you know, they're very uncomfortable watching themselves.
Yes.
And I always make fun of Jaideep Palhawat that he does not even enter a screening.
Yeah.
He just come and I have to drag him for broken news. He just come and see. Because it's just this firefighting machine.
Yeah.
A film industry is essentially like a human body, right? All these different parts
Well, right.
working together
Mm.
to make
Yeah.
something function and happen. कि मुझे देखना है कि ये प्रोडक्ट क्या बना है, कहानी क्या बनी है.
क्योंकि उस टाइम पे नहीं इतना विजुअल इमेजरी आता होगा.
I mean, आपका वर्जन है because we're all
हाँ.
editing in our mind, right? कि क्या होगा,
Correct.
कैसे होगा.
Correct.
So I love to see how it's translated, and that's the beauty of cinema. So many people, even that Spot Dada is crucial to the
Yeah.
journey of that film.
And to also making the actor the actor. I feel like अगर माहौल सही नहीं हो, like I can sense an energy in a room. It's very easy. It's like an instant thing. Like if I'm walking onto even an interview, जहाँ पे like 500 लोग बैठे होंगे, for example, and then there are multiple actors, etc. I know it. This is a great energy space.
Of course.
This person's mood is like this, etc. And then my energy goes in a upheaval or like I'm in a happy zone.
Because
in
for
that
someone in the
situation.
media, you're
Yeah.
also used to reading energy
Yeah.
all the time.
Yeah.
You know, so
Yeah.
you can understand that bouncing off you
Throughout, yeah.
completely.
So that's why set ka mahal is very important now when you're working on projects.
Yes,
Hmm.
especially because आपको कंट्रोल नहीं है आपका कि आउटकम क्या होने वाला है.
True.
Someone may like it, someone may not like it. It may come and go, or it will do very well. But
Yeah.
the memories of working on a set
Yeah.
are what really stick to you.
Yeah.
I've been very fortunate in that department.
Yeah.
Whether it's a Mirzapur
Hmm.
or a Tasa Khabar or a Guilty Minds, the people I met didn't just remain colleagues. And they became friends.
Friends. Yeah.
So I don't believe that you can't make friends in the industry.
you know, you're a
आपको
rare one.
maintain करना पड़ता है.
I'm so happy you said that.
Maintain करना पड़ता है. You most definitely can make friends because it's a two-way street. वो
Yeah.
trust build करना पड़ता है. So I do have friends.
And Jaideep is one of them.
100%.
Did you see that dance that he did in
Oh.
Jewel Thief? Oh my God.
So he calls me, I call him Yara, he calls me Dildara, and I sent him a voice note saying, आपने क्या कर दिया?
क्या
ये
किया?
moves हमने पहले क्यों
क्यों नहीं देखे?
So मुझे भी ऐसे ही कुछ अचानक से आके
Oh, suddenly we'll be like, because I interviewed him for the
Yeah,
for Jewel Thief,
yeah.
of course, for the film, and I walked in and I was like, how many times have I met you, and why I didn't know even this existed? Like ये इतना सा लचक भी है, I didn't even know. So he's like, मैं बहुत शादियों वादियों में नाचा. He's like, तुम लोग वहाँ आते ही नहीं हो तो अभी हम क्या करें? So you don't know that this is my side, and I was like, it's insane to see that, but see on that.
Yeah.
Probably we boxed a Jaideep like that. We
Yeah.
also as people in general, I don't think it's just an industry thing. मुझे लगता है audiences भी box करती है क्योंकि हम किरदार से
100%.
जुड़ जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल. और मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि उस एक्टर की ही मेहनत होती है कि वो खुद को रीइन्वेंट करते जाएं.
Correct.
पिछली बार जो किया है उसको ब्रेक करके खुद ही के स्टीरियोटाइप्स ब्रेक करते जाए ताकि
Yeah.
दूसरों को मौका ही ना मिले टू स्टीरियोटाइप.
Type you. Correct.
And sometimes if you're known for something, to do multiple variations of it is fine because
Yeah.
you do that well.
Exactly.
That's totally okay.
Yeah.
कई बार इंटरव्यूज में मुझे ये सवाल I'm sure at some point you may also ask me कि how is it like to play a cop for the first time? And I truly believe कि हम प्रोफेशन प्ले नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम उस इंसान को प्ले कर रहे हैं. तो आगे जाके भी I may get to do a cop again or
Correct.
lawyer again or something else that I've done before.
Right.
But the person will be different. So that's the fun part.
True. And कितना ही change होगा ना, तो certain things तो are there only.
बिल्कुल.
Like sometimes I also feel like, one second, but you might either play a doctor or a cop or a wife or a journalist. What beyond? Like there are
But
only
the
these
person
many
is
things.
different.
Exactly.
I can bring in 5 people of the same profession. Their energy,
Yeah.
their body language, the way they speak,
Everything is
intention,
different. Correct.
their energy
Yeah.
is all going to be very different. I was in New York last year, or I had a very bad cold. I was coughing. I was in New York and I was exploring. I was in Greenwich by myself. And there was a really nice wine bar, and it was like 4 in the evening. I said, I'm on a date with myself. I'll have a nice glass of white wine. I'm coughing like a sick person who's almost dying. I'm blowing my nose. I called for hot water and wine. 1 sip of hot water, 1 sip of wine.
That is exactly what's happening
That's
now.
why-
So that's you.
And
Listen, I love it. You go on dates with yourself. That's insane. I love
I-
that.
love me time.
Wow, me too.
I love me time, and I feel like I'm very comfortable
yeah.
even eating by myself.
Same.
Of course, I enjoy company,
Yeah.
but I also enjoy traveling by myself. And मेरा एक ritual है end of the year. मैं पहाड़ों में अकेले जाती हूँ,
Wow.
and I'm there for a week.
That's
I love
insane. That's insane. Okay, so I'm one of those girls who I love my own company. कुछ extra ही. Like you tell me party जाना है घर पे खुद के साथ आके chill करना है. I'll be like I'm at home. I am at home.
It's very important.
It's very important.
Yeah.
I can drink by myself. Of course, I'm not going to get
That
sloshed.
sounds.
Yeah, that sounds like Hesha as a baby.
शाम को बैठ के.
एक थर्रा हो रहा है इधर. I've opened one khamma and I'm drinking.
ये
No.
actors ना.
क्या
Yeah,
इतना?
ये actors.
No. But like, let's say if I have to have a wine by myself or like anything, I can do
Right.
that all by myself. I can read by myself. I can go to a place by myself,
Yeah.
eat everything by myself.
Yeah.
Sure, I'm not a loner. If anybody thinks like that, no, that's not true. But I think it's a good thing to have.
It's important.
Yeah. Also, I feel it's now. Like, I'm very comfortable in my 30s more as opposed to I was in my 20s probably.
100%.
Yeah, it's a different change.
For sure. And I think ये जो evolution का process has people feels very interesting in your 30s.
Yeah.
And I almost feel कि like my spiritual growth as a person or just my journey, my inner world,
Yeah.
the growth of that has happened parallelly with my growth as an actor. And I think of acting itself as a spiritual thing.
Yeah.
Because, you know, एक ही lifetime में हम इतने अलग-अलग किरदार निभा रहे हैं. We're feeling so much.
Yeah.
And that's taught me to be much more comfortable with all my emotions. And I've learned so much about myself vis-a-vis. So when there are moments of days that are low or things are not working out, these are the thoughts I hold on to, that look how much I've got.
Yeah.
And this still feels like I've just scratched the surface. But you have to stay in your own power.
True. You know, I want to pay you a compliment. I want to say this to you. When I saw Broken News, the second part, I was at a stage in my career where I had gotten damn complacent.
Yeah.
You know, because आप एक ही चीज continuously करते हो, it's very normal to happen, and I have no qualms admitting it. I saw one though I loved any which ways, and when I saw two also, both the series, I happened to go back and revisit the first season before I saw the second season. Together I saw it again.
Okay.
And it sort of kicked that inner journalist back in me because of your character. And
I got goosebumps right now.
I mean it because I also texted you exactly
And I
that.
replied a year later. So sorry, you got my message.
I did. That's
Because
okay.
I typed your name to say, hey, I'm going to see you. I saw your message. I said, hi. मैंने ऐसे reputation खराब हो गया.
No, but this is genuinely what I felt. Like, imagine an actor can make a real person feel that emotion, and you just played my role like a journalist. That's what you were doing. And that's when I realized कि like, bhai, better करो, चलो हो गया. Because we all get into a rut of यही पूछना है, यही करना है, ऐसा ही होता है. And then that sort of kicked it in me, and I was just like, no, let's change it.
This is why I do what I do. I can't speak of all actors, but this is why I do what I do. Because for me, we all hope to make some kind of impact with our art, and I don't always mean at a macro level, but to know that a character that I've played, like Radha Bhargav, the journalist, has impacted you in your journalism means the world to me. And which is why मेरा focus characters पे उतना होता है. Because कहानियाँ उतनी ही होती हैं, but किरदार आपके कहानी को अलग बनाता है. You know, this is where writers come in. This is why industry तो actors को सर पे चढ़ा के रखती ही है. Audience भी actors को ही सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार देती है.
Correct.
But I do feel as actors should, and we are tremendously grateful to the writers, the makers, write that part for us.
I have to also ask you this. How do you catch the sur and the body language so well? I saw lucky few people who saw the trailer of Chhal Kapat much in advance.
The Deception. You're missing The Deception. Kesha, title ठीक से लो. Chhal Kapat.
The Deception.
That's what we have to say. Every time we say it, we have to say
that. Like Chhal Kapat. The Deception. Oh God, मैं बन जाऊंगी इसके बाद mini actor after sitting next to you. And what stayed with me was there's a scene, trailer to सब देख ही लेंगे eventually, so I can talk about it. Where you're sitting footpath पे and like you're having a drink.
And चाय पी रही हूँ.
अच्छा चाय थी वो? ओ मुझे drink लग रही थी वो. देखो ये थर्रा.
ये जो अकेले बैठ के वाइन पी रही हैं, सब में ऐसे वाइन दिख रही है.
नहीं वो ग्लास मुझे ऐसे लगा उसमें को, but चलो चाय. That movement that you took while taking that sip, just that, because all you've done after that, something says someone and you're taking a sip.
Yes.
I mean, how are you catching everything so particular? अभी तो मैं तो journalism में ही जी रही थी ना, बता ये तो journalist ही है, अभी मेरे लिए वही आने वाला है. उसके पहले I was in Taza Kab, when you were there when I met you, I was like, हाँ, this is the girl I know.
Yeah.
And now I'm seeing you like hardcore becoming that character.
Yes.
Where is this Kida, Sor, Prep? What do I call it? Where is it coming from?
This is my job. I better do it.
Making it sound very easy, but I know it's
I
tough.
better do it. It's exciting for me because the prep, the homework, building the instincts is what makes acting so fun.
So no one really tells you, right? Like this is the movement. You know, screenplay ये है. आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है. And then it's just that moment between action and cut which you have to own, right?
So मैं सोचती हूँ. I ask myself, who's Devika? How do I want Devika to be? Also, to tell you, I don't know if you've got this information about the character, but Devika, the cop, has recently lost her husband in an accident. She's lost. She's grieving. She's not really there, but she's there. She's not a people's pleaser. So this is what's happening in her inner life. Now you're sitting and talking to me, but there you may have had a bad day.
Correct.
You're carrying that energy with you at some point. So I do ask myself these questions about the character, and it can be something as silly as कि देविका अपने free time में क्या करती होगी? आप कभी स्क्रिप्ट में देखेंगे नहीं है, बट मुझे जानना जरूरी है, ये मैं सोचती हूँ मेरे कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में. Directors who like to explore this with you, it's collaborated. Then I
Correct.
kind of develop it with them. Tell you something interesting. For Chal Kapat, the deception, I had a lot of scenes where मैं interrogation room में back to back suspects को interrogate कर रही हूँ. And I kept wondering कि देविका की body language क्या होगी? Is she going to be this? Is she going to be this?
Right.
Is she going to be this? How all will she listen? Because हम सब एक अलग तरीके से सुनते नहीं हैं.
Correct. Yeah.
So it was fun for me. At some point, you need to stop stressing and have fun
Yeah.
with what you're doing. While I'm on a job, I am not thinking where my next job is coming from. I want to give my best to the situation, even if I see things maybe like going wrong or whatever. Is it? It is. So I enjoyed, and thank you. It's a compliment because that's the first feedback I'm getting. If you're saying the body language is good,
Yeah, it is. This definitely makes you because as a journalist, you were soft. You know, as a sex worker, you have a different language, a different body way that you're presenting. But if I have to believe the character that you're playing, then it stays with me. I would see कि अरे ये तो change हो गया.
और मेरे characters में I don't have glamour and clothes to
Cushion
hide
नहीं है.
behind. So all I have is my skill and my craft where I have to build that person.
Right.
So that is my challenge. Yeah.
Great. I can see Khana also. Get it. Get the Khana.
What I have a question for you.
Go for it.
Since you mentioned that you'd like to see me in a glamorous part, which
Yeah.
I also want for myself, is there something that you've watched where you thought that perhaps you would have liked to see me in it, or you think I could have also kind of considered it?
Yeah. You spoke of Veera Mandi, and I also felt Aditi Rao Hydari's part is something that you could
She did really well though.
fabulous. Loved her. Yeah.
I love it.
Like for me, I think it's a great high to see somebody who I'm not used to seeing a certain way to kill it in that particular part. Kudos. I mean, she's amazing.
She's
She did
amazing.
a
So
great job. We
beautiful.
all love her.
Yeah.
But the point is that since I'm thinking of you as well, and you have a dance element, that movement. Imagine वो एक move, वो एक चाल का क्या impact आया है.
बहुत
Like
अच्छा.
that's just massive. It's insane.
बहुत अच्छा.
In fact, even a recent film when I saw Bhool Chuk Maaf as well, I loved Vamika. And for me
She's
to
lovely.
see, she's amazing. For me
Yeah.
to see her do something which was not her. She's also an OTT
Yes.
baby,
Yes.
you know, and then to do that part, like in a comic role, it's insane.
May I say something?
Sure.
You know, a lot of people think that actors, contemporaries, there's this kind of constant
Rivalry
and
jealousy,
stuff.
हाँ.
But when I see an actor who is able to break that mold and get a different part for themselves, I feel like it's a win for all of us.
Yeah,
Because eventually, what we really want is to be reimagined in different things.
correct.
So मुझे genuinely अच्छा लगता है that, oh, this person was able to, Adarsh Gaurav, example, right? I love Adarsh. I really want to work.
Love Adarsh,
So,
yeah.
an example like Adarsh, or, you know, you mentioned something like a Vamika. So, if you're able to crack through that, then you feel like, oh, that can happen
Yeah.
for me too. So,
Yeah.
shall we?
Yeah, let's go for it. Imagine in
I give you
Ho Gaye, thank you. When he got into that fitness journey to look that part,
Exactly.
I was like, wow. And now when I saw Main Tu Ya Main, that trailer, and I was like, oh my God, Adarsh is the upcoming film.
Yes.
Yeah, and I was like, what?
Yeah.
Like, you're killing it.
Absolutely.
And again, breaking through all stereotypical, quintessential hero masculinity, which you need with we still being a standalone hero. I feel it's great.
I mean, that currently is my approach towards looking at scripts.
Yeah.
And because I told you that I'm focusing on film work, for me, I would take up a series if it mounts me differently.
Correct.
If it's a maker that I want to, you know, work, or if it's a totally different part where I get to be seen differently.
Also a period drama.
You know I've been manifesting one, and I have a little, update for you in the sense, maybe
Which
not
is-
a full update, but
क्या है आधा update
I'll tell you as एक आधा update कि
I'm doing one. Thank God, I'm hungry me and sushi is like भूल गई मैं सब कुछ. No, also because I feel you have that face cut for it. You know, with
no
that
one is utilizing my dimples and jawline.
I know. Give Shreya like a big monkey car, like a nice nut. Oh,
Well, Hesha, July. Wait for July.
what's happening in July? What can you tell me? I know it can't be against your contract and everything, but क्या बोल सकते हो? अगर कुछ बोल
मैं थोड़ा खाते खाते हमारे ऑडियंस को 1 सेकंड
हाँ हम ऐसे शादी में आए ना, कैमरा कैमरा लेके आ जाते हैं और हम मुंह चला रहे हैं. Yeah, we should have a little water.
Ai always tells me, she said, I want you to do a film where I'm only seeing your dimple where you're smiling now.
Oh, yeah, because she's like,
Like smiling. And like, why aren't they using your dimples on your jawline? But you know, because I told you that I've been wanting to sort of break through and
yeah.
be seen differently in certain parts, I kind of made an exciting choice of being part of this series that will be announced next month. I'm in it in a very different capacity. You can say in a guest appearance capacity, but it's a part that no one can imagine me in.
Wow.
And the reason why I even did it is because it's unexpected casting. And in fact, the producer who I have so much respect for, he said to me, he said that, Shreya, I'll be honest, we didn't think that you could pull off dark character like that because I've played righteous parts.
Correct.
But I sat with the director and auditioned with him and did a look test for 3 hours to just bring that person to life. And I'm excited and I'm nervous to see how people will react to it because it's completely on the opposite spectrum. So I'm essentially just going to be playing characters who now make bad choices.
Wow, that's also not bad. Character में गंदे choices कर सकते हैं, roles गंदे नहीं होने चाहिए.
नहीं, हाँ,
वो ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो जाती है.
Right. But let's
But
see,
you also took the internet by the storm, na, with the Yash Raj picture and everything. हमें पता है, हमें दिख गया है.
मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रही हूँ.
अभी dumpling खा
अभी
लेते हैं.
dumpling मैं आपको dumpling दे रही हूँ.
Yeah, now it's eating time. But ठीक है, whatever it is, whatever.
You can connect the dots.
Yeah, I'm connecting,
फिर
but I'm feeling very kicked and happy about it.
Thank you. Also, Devika Rathod मेरा जो कॉप है छल कपट at the deception में, उसमें
The deception.
the deception में, you also could have, you're like her because आप हंसते हंसते very smartly आपने जो slip in किया ना, that's what my character is like by the way. And I love that because when you look at a person in uniform, you equate authority a lot of times with masculinity.
Yeah.
And I didn't want to approach Devika like that. I wanted to keep her femininity, feminine energy intact and still show that authority.
आ गई.
आ गई.
चाय पीते पीते.
चाय पीते पीते.
ठंग
आपको लगा tequila shot.
हमें क्या पता अभी 3-4 बजे शूट हो रहा होगा. नहीं मतलब वो कॉप स्ट्रेस में होगी.
बिल्कुल.
जो मान लेती हूँ भाई ये केस ही सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है. बहुत ज्यादा ही छल और कपट हो रहा है. Oh God.
I know.
चलो tell me real life छल कपट stories. होता है सबके साथ.
Of course सबके साथ होता
दोस्ती
है.
में होता है, प्यार में होता है, काम में होता है भाई. बहुत होता है.
But you know how I take that revenge?
How?
By not even giving that situation or person उतना तवज्जो. मतलब hate करने के लिए भी energy लगती है ना. So I will, for me, my biggest way of dealing with something is by being unaffected by it. Because if I really am angry with you or if I hate you, that means I'm still invested in you.
हाँ.
So that's my mechanism. कि जो भी अगर थोड़ा बहुत छल कपट हुआ है, वो इतना erase हुआ है मेरे दिमाग से कि मुझे interview waste भी नहीं करना.
Wow.
Talking about it.
But like, are you that snappy? Like you can snap out quickly like a switch?
No. It takes time. But when I do, I heal from it. And it's also my nature that I'm not somebody who will like to disturb my world and my energy by being too bothered by
outside noise.
Things. Yeah. I'm very protective of my personal space, of my loved ones, of just my state of mind.
Yeah.
Because that's what's going to govern everything else.
Sure.
And if one can get to someone's state of mind, that means we've given the person that much power.
But you're damn strong-headed, huh? Like it's a good personality trait, but tough for many people to like ask me to say no to people. I can't. I'm bad at it. Can you say no to people easily?
Depends on what it is, but it's saying. I mean, what you're asking is a very sort of sharp question.
Yeah.
Can you say no to people?
Yeah.
maybe if it's someone who really needs something, even if I don't want to do it, but if that person's close to me, of course I'll do it.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, in terms of things that you're disturbed by, you know.
That you're easy to cut that noise off.
Yeah,
right.
and actually, you know what it is? I think as an actor, beyond being on screen, हमारा ज़्यादा काम inner work में ही होता है. Because imagine if we don't keep that balance of strength and vulnerability, then we'll be so easily affected by social media, by like maybe work not happening, by so many factors. We'll constantly be on the edge.
Yeah.
So I make an effort that I am not feeling that controlled by it. Which doesn't mean I'm strong all the time.
You have the vulnerable side as well.
Of course.
And how are you? How do you deal with your vulnerability?
I eat.
Khana.
Khana, chips, my dog. I travel.
Chips, love it.
But if I'm feeling cranky, if I'm PMSing or whatever, I just order something I like. I'll have all the carbs in the world and I'll enjoy
Yeah,
it.
guilt-free.
All my emotions, actually, I deal with food. I realize.
How does it come from? Mama, Papa? Is it genetic?
No.
No.
I'm the only one.
Acha, you're the only one.
My father's a foodie. My mum's not. But, or like, I love to play a sport. Or I'll just go play badminton or something. Or that's one adrenaline rush jahan se aata hai.
Aata hai.
But if I'm feeling down, eating something yum will always
Lift you up.
100%.
इसमें कोई stunts थे? कुछ action था series में?
Mental stunts there. It was like strategizing. Yeah. The last time I did stunts were Crackdown series में साकिब के साथ जहाँ पे I actually got to do stunts and I want to do action as well.
Yeah.
I love action.
But it's so much hard work, yeah. Like
And painful.
Yeah. वो दिखाता नहीं है, मतलब दिखता नहीं है screen पे, but पता है, लगता है.
And it's not easy and I have so much respect for actors who do action well.
Yeah.
Because to understand कि without hurting your co-actor या without getting hurt yourself,
Yeah.
किस तरीके से आप वो जोर दिखाते हैं, action यहाँ होता है,
Right.
actually speaking.
Correct, face.
But I struggled with my first few experiences with action. But then you get gun training, you know, and then your body is sore and hurting and bruised.
Oh God.
Yeah.
That's like, but it's fun. Everything is the part and parcel of things. It sort of just gets it together.
And you
and
can
you're
also
okay.
show your like wounds, your
Lovely.
little
Instagram.
Yes. I had a rough day at work. Yeah.
Like how we would do that. ना बहुत काम किया था.
बहुत.
लिख ही रही थी सुबह से.
Totally. And with these nails, so no action can
Oh,
happen.
yeah, no, all these are my real nails, huh, ऐसे? Yeah. अब
Wow.
तो निकाल. I don't even put those gel polish and
Really?
because my bed gets spoiled, like vanity issues.
Oh, of
ये
course.
खराब हो जाता है, ये हो जाता है, तो जैसे हैं वैसे ही
Fair
रहने देती
enough,
हूँ. Yeah,
fair
I'm like नहीं करना. This is the maximum it can get, not more than that. But tell me something like you're a pretty girl, you know, you're exploring, you're in this industry where hair, makeup, looks, design, sub important. है. How involved are you in your selection process with your styling team and everything? Did you do it by yourself?
Of course I'm involved. And I love it because I get to play dress up.
Yeah.
And like I said, because on screen मुझे ज़्यादा करने नहीं मिलता.
So this is the time.
I love exploring fashion and kind of just understanding the different vibes because it's like, okay, what character am I giving today? That's what I ask myself. So yesterday for promotions, I was wearing this nice sort of green dress with like a ear cuff, and today we're like doing sort of sharp shoulders, a more androgynous silhouette. I love it. I really have fun with
Yeah,
it.
fashion's
And
fun.
fashion is fun, and I don't stress about it in terms of what designer should I wear and what not. I think it's more about what vibe
You want to give
I'm
out.
feeling.
Hmm.
So I enjoy myself. I enjoy it a lot.
And how are you with rejection?
You feel bad. You feel bad, but you allow yourself to feel.
You process it.
I fully allow myself to process it because that's the only way to do it. I do my best to not take it super personally because then it's a trap to keep feeling that. And I think after so many, like after I've been doing this for 10 years now, and also when you have parents who've been in the industry for that long, you already have a sense and you learn from their own stories and experiences.
Correct.
And you realize that it's important to ground yourself in something or the other so that the rejection does not kind of, you don't feel overcome by it or it doesn't overtake your state of mind for a long time.
You know, when you were growing up, Tavi, the star kid facade was not so high as it is today. Like today, even like a 1-year-old baby is like, shocked. You know, all of that is happening. I think you got sort of escaped from whole of that situation, right? But how was it like growing up? Like, do you have any memories that you remember where people already knew who you were, but you had no understanding of why they know me?
I actually did have an understanding because I saw my parents work very, very hard.
Yeah.
So,
Also, love to your parents.
yeah, and I mean, thank you. They're amazing, and I saw them put in the hard work, which is why bachpan se I've equated success with hard work because I've watched them
Yeah,
work hard.
True.
But they were also very present. You know, when I was training as a competitive swimmer, my mom would be there, or PTA meetings, my folks have come. Whenever I've needed them, they've been there. So they were always present parents, even while working. So it's wonderful that, you know, and I'm the only child. So I'm very close to them. So in that sense, if I'm feeling something, I do ask them for advice. And after a point, no matter if you come from a film family or not, nobody can really protect you from what you have to go through.
True.
And लोगों को जो भी कहना है वो कहेंगे, easy this, easy that, whatever. Yes, it may be a less hectic route, but everyone has their own version of their own
Journeys and struggles. True, yeah.
deal with.
Correct.
And there is no point sitting and just wondering and overthinking about why one doesn't get something, because say if I've given that audition, say I've done everything, and if it hasn't worked out, then it just hasn't worked out.
Yeah.
So I tell myself there must be a good reason why it hasn't worked out. But that's my defense mechanism.
Yeah, that's mine also. कि
Yeah.
नहीं रखा होगा destiny में, छोड़ो कुछ
Correct.
better आएगा.
Let's do something else.
Else.
I don't like just sitting for days. क्यों नहीं हुआ? No, क्यों नहीं? Maybe पहले I would have felt that.
Yeah.
अभी नहीं. Now, okay, what next? Let's do something else.
Yeah, okay. So childhood was chill because you knew what was happening around
My
you.
childhood chill, matlab, I was a kid doing many things, so chill nahi. I've had a very simple, wholesome, middle class upbringing. Childhood was fun. I'm very close to my parents, so like I said, they were very present as well. So I have done everything. मतलब सब classes करके आई हूँ मैं, swimming भी, singing भी, dancing भी. I enjoyed school. I loved college. My 5 years at St. Xavier's.
Yeah, even I love my college.
College really shaped me.
Yeah.
And it was eventually my training as a Kathak dancer that got me to acting, essentially.
But you still have your college friends intact?
Yes, but not like the whole group, but I have one-on-one equations.
Haan. Which happened lately.
Later.
Like, I feel like starting when you want to be surrounded by
You
a
want
lot
a
of group. Yeah, a full group. Group में enter करेंगे, group में party जाएंगे, group में dinner करेंगे. And now suddenly I'm like, I have that one person in my group. तू चल, तेरे साथ ये party करेंगे, तेरे साथ ये dinner करेंगे. Like, it gets segregated.
Right, and I think that you can't really check in with a person in groups.
Yeah.
So as much as I love sort of spending time with people in groups,
Yeah.
I really enjoy my one-on-one time where you can actually talk to somebody, connect with someone.
Yeah.
So I have a lot of different one-on-one equations, and I may not meet some friends for once, but when we meet, it's like we've met every day.
Yeah, you actually just lifted from where you started.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So I feel very fortunate like that. And even in terms of all my experiences before I became an actor, films and storytelling is something that I knew I was always drawn to.
Yeah.
That performer's instinct was always natural. But I didn't know that this is what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
I was doing everything else, just wanting to explore other things. Because otherwise I would have started ages ago.
Yeah.
And I didn't have a very... vanity was not part of my childhood. I have never seen my mother sit and overdress up. And maybe it's an actor thing because you dress up so much in front of the camera.
Correct.
She's not someone who's ever into कि मैं कहीं बाहर जाऊंगी तो रोज मेकअप करूंगी तो मैं देख रही हूँ, ऐसे कुछ नहीं था. आज, because of social media, I see a lot of younger girls also very obsessed with how they're constantly looking.
True.
My sense of self or my self-worth has never been dependent on how I'm looking. And that I want to keep intact.
Yeah. That's amazing.
That I want to keep intact.
Yeah. Very important,
Yes.
actually, because we're all going to age eventually, and we have to
Yes.
comfortably and beautifully age. Like, I met Sushmita Sen and she happened to mention this to me. She's like, it's the most beautiful phase when you're growing up, and you have to age to know what you're learning through those years.
But mentally, you're still also feeling young.
Young.
I mean, I feel like I'm 21. Of course, I'm 21.
Yeah,
Of course.
20s, यार. अभी तो बस college से निकले हैं हम लोग और हम even
I mean, not my
30s.
30s.
Yeah, I've just said that actually.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
really are.
Yeah.
I feel I'm so confident in my 30s
Yeah.
more. Like, मेरा कोई 22 year वाला interview उठाओ where I'm like all like stiff,
Really?
Yeah. I'm like, what is concept?
And now here you are having
Yeah,
sushi and
yeah.
avocado.
And like I keep sliding in. I have people who have to tell me, ki, Isha,
Sit
can
up.
you sit straight? Because by the end of it, I'm so comfortable chatting, I've forgotten this is an interview.
But that's a good thing, right? Because of that, maybe the person you're speaking to also forgets.
Yeah, we forget what's
Yes,
happening, and then later
yes.
I have to remember ki, kya hua? But okay, speaking of all of this as well, like a huge part about being an actor is catering to the audience,
Yeah.
catering to janta in general,
Yeah.
and just being a people
Yeah,
person.
yeah.
Like, I don't know any actor who's alone. मतलब आप हर बार किसी ना किसी लोगों के साथ तो सराउंडेड होते ही हो. You know, how do you then find your own self? Like, I'll give you an example. I'm shooting today since morning. So from one probably place to another, I'm interacting with 5 people, PR, this, that, camera people, etc. Then the only time I'm getting here to come here is probably with my driver.
Mhm.
वो भी बात कर रहा है कि मैडम ये करना है, वो करना है, वो करना है. I'm like, भाई, okay. Now the minute I come here again, I have to cater about 50 other things. Where is my me time in those 7-8 hours?
Let me remind
With
you, your
actors.
job is literally to talk to people. So this can't be your reason.
Yeah, like there's no, but you know, that's what it is. Like even
Yeah.
as actors, you're not
Yeah.
constantly surrounded
Yeah.
by people,
Yeah.
right? And then even between action and cut, आप बोल ही रहे हैं. And now you're not talking as Shreya, now you're talking as somebody else. Amidst all of this, where are you finding your equilibrium?
But this is what I mean by finding time to ground yourself. So in my spare time, when I said I want to fill my cup, I don't do it by being too out there or social. I need to recharge, and my way of recharging is disconnecting.
That's when you discover.
So after every project,
Mm.
even if it's 2 days, I leave the city. And I'm so refreshed. I need to be out in the nature. Trees have become luxury now. So I need mountain fresh air. I need to get out of the pollution.
Yeah,
I recharge by just maintaining that distance because you're hit by a lot of energies.
right.
और आपको भी हमेशा समझ नहीं आता how much to kind of absorb, how much you can't. You have to, it's too much of energy rush
Right.
constantly.
Right.
So like for example, I've had a long day of press. Now I'm going to go back home. I have one more meeting at 9, but I'm going to go back home and take a shower, chill with my dog next to me. I'll journal. I love to journal every night. I'm writing
Thoughts,
about
yeah.
just
Hmm.
unwinding.
Hmm.
I'll watch something fun. That's how I'll unwind. I won't even like look at my phone or anything. I'm just unwinding, or maybe I'll just watch some time pass, some memes, some
Haan,
reels.
memes to I
love
love.
memes, yeah.
No, I have to start telling people, you think you've become a meme? Great, you've arrived in life.
Absolutely. And some of my friendships, the foundation of that friendships has been sharing memes. Where there are no highs, hello, no happy birthday. It's meme after meme after meme.
Yeah, that is
what it is.
That is life now. Oh, relatable. Go
Yeah,
for it. This
different
is-
groups.
That's insane. Okay, are you a chatter or are you like a call person?
Voice note person.
अलग ही है आपका. Very good.
This voice note group of people, na, मतलब 4-4 minute के voice notes, I feel like a lot of people are not happy with people like us. I'm sorry, people who are disappointed by the voice noters. Let me just say, 2x में सुनो. एक बार बोल देती हूँ वो टाइप करना, and then calls half the time people don't answer. I prefer just finishing off. But
Yeah.
people are pissed off with calls. Also, I've stopped taking calls half the time because the
Great.
scam phone calls that come.
हाँ.
They're
ये होती है actors का भी होता है क्या scam में?
100% all of our information is
It's
out
already
there.
public. But number तो भी protect ना. चला.
But होता ही है. होता ही है. So essentially,
Do you have a scam? छल कपट the deception.
1 second, छल कपट the deception की वजह से अब मैं इतनी alert हो चुकी हूँ कि anyone who says, मैम एक आदमी का wallet मिला और आपका I'm like bye. मुझे
Yeah.
पता है.
Sorry, मैंने cop play किया है. Get out.
Totally. Now I'm looking at everybody with those eyes. With
Motive क्या है?
पकड़ dancing. छल कपट कौन कर रहा है?
The deception.
The deception.
Who's like, imagine every interview now you will do after this also. The proper press चल रहा होगा.
Exactly.
You'll be like, क्या पूछने आए हो? हाँ?
Yeah,
What do you want to ask?
Exactly. I'm like,
Posture.
I can read you.
Wow, that would be amazing. I think you should just do a prank now. Z5, I think I should do this eventually.
Yeah, that's a good
Please
idea.
get throughout, you're just sitting like this only. Like what? Like you're interrogating the journalist. आप भाग जाएंगे उसके बाद. People, that will be a meme that we'll be sharing.
I know, right?
Like Shreya, here, there you go. This is you now. Insane. Oh God. Okay, wish list. Wish list of characters. Give me like top 3 quickly, or maybe genres.
A rom-com. I want to do a rom-com, something that's light, easy breezy, romance,
Yeah.
you know, coming of age, that kind. I want to do a period drama, something which is cinematic, where I get to look differently. थोड़ी अदाएं, थोड़ा नखरा,
Yeah.
कुछ
Hmm.
अलग
हाँ.
करने मिले. What else? I mean, broadly, these are the two things that I
That you're
really
itching
want
to,
to
right? Hmm.
really, really do. And I'm also developing a few things, working on a few stories.
Like yourself? You want to get
With a couple of writers
Wow.
that I am attempting to develop something for myself, and that's the aim. Because
That'll be so nice.
well, let's hope. Let's
Hmm.
hope.
But you know, writing is a very lonely process. Like, you know, you really have to be involved and immersed in what you're writing.
Yeah.
Vis-a-vis acting, then again, is very like immersive in a way that you're involved with 50 people, including the camera. Like,
Yeah.
you have to romanticize the camera as well.
It's not easy at all.
It's not easy
but
at all.
that's also the fun part of it. And because I'm feeling that courage at this phase in my life, I feel like it's a leap of faith that I do want to take, where I want to surprise people with what I'm capable of, with what I can do. I'm also constantly giving a lot of international auditions.
That's going to be
so
amazing.
It's fun.
Yeah.
It's fun.
I feel, I mean, this is just a proud thing for us Indians in general. When an Indian artist gets to represent the country globally,
Yes.
it's a huge high.
Of course.
You know, even if a film goes to an international film festival, I feel like that visibility, that eyeball, and Indian representation goes a long way.
Yeah.
Because over the years, what I've understood is an actor just wants to act. It doesn't matter what. It's just that कि उनको different चीजें करनी है, different mediums और अलग-अलग लोगों से काम करना is why they branch out.
वो creative fulfillment is what we really seek.
And it's not that bucket list कि मैं ये करूँगी या मैं Hollywood जाऊँगी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं, eventually it is that creative, वो hunger
है,
वो to do something different.
But it's not the fame. It's not that which drives.
See, the thing is that fame is a byproduct of it, and I believe that I've not been interested in instant virality. Is not something that interests me because that's short-lived.
Right.
Some people are able to cash on it beautifully and create brands for themselves, or you know, they become a brand themselves. But for me, I only have my craft to kind of have any sort of impact. So my focus is not really on trends and virality. It's to be in this profession long term.
Yeah.
So that even 50 years later, I'm there because of my work and what I can do. And of course, you enjoy fame, you enjoy that love, and that's great.
Yeah.
But that's not going to be in your hands ever.
True.
No matter what, hard work is very important, but at the end of the day, you do need that element, that mystical element of a divine blessing for something to manifest, for it to be fruitful.
Yeah.
जिसे हम luck कहते हैं. But hard work is at the core of it.
True.
Yeah.
And I feel longevity over temporary virality always goes a long way.
Well, yes.
हमेशा.
Unless you really know how to use it well. You can
मतलब
sustain that.
To sustain the longevity आ गई तो great है, but viral आप आज हो कल कोई और है.
बिल्कुल.
उसमें तो कोई हाथ ही नहीं है हमारा, क्योंकि retention span ही हम लोगों का कम है, तो हमें भी नया-नया देखना है throughout and reinvent and whatever. Even the content, like let's say up until yesterday, I was hardcore enjoying thrillers, and I think I don't know what happened in a few months. I've changed, and now I'm like सिर्फ अभी chill comedies देखूंगी.
अभी bad thing to say ना, अभी show आ रहा है तो एक last हल्का पर The Deception
वो तो देखूंगी ना.
फिर उसके बाद
देखूं
but it's a whodunit. It's a whodunit murder mystery. तो ऐसे मत बोलना.
नहीं देखूंगी वो तो देखना ही
20
है.
minutes each, 7 episodes.
Oh, that's amazing.
Exactly. So this is the new thing. That is, the format is 7 episodes, 20 minutes each. It's a quick binge.
Wow.
And it's entertaining.
And you shot when recently for this?
In April.
And now
it was a very
already
quick turnaround.
Yes. I feel this whole 20-minute coming to OTT and 7 episodes is insane.
They're exploring.
Yeah,
exploring.
good
So
to
let's
see.
see what that feedback is
So
like.
20 minutes के अंदर पूरा character का arc cover हो जाता है?
You can't explore a lot of things that maybe you would be able to if it's longer, but वो एक creative choice है. So कुछ है nuances that we've touched upon, but फिर वो limitation होती ही है. But it's like a film essentially.
Correct.
It's a film cut into 7 episodes.
Episodes, yeah, exactly. Because movies में तो हम वही 2 घंटे में या 3 घंटे में max हमें upper limit में सब कुछ देते हैं.
Yeah.
And then it's eventually I feel I enjoy everything. For me, I can enjoy a TV show also if it gets me hooked. I can totally enjoy OTT shows. I love it.
Yeah.
And theatre तो किसको वो समोसा और popcorn नहीं खा के देखनी pictures.
You can't
सबको ही
compare.
देखनी. Yeah. And as an actor also different high ना to see yourself on a big screen.
इसलिए the aim is now would love to do an incredible theatrical film and to have that experience, because वो आप कभी OTT के साथ compare नहीं कर सकते, because it's just a different experience. So every actor wants to do both. You can't
Yeah.
pick. There's creative satisfaction in both things, even though the grammar of it is changing.
It's changing. अच्छा, रैप करने से पहले I have to ask you this. मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था कि between 700 लड़कियों के audition के बाद you cracked your first film.
कितनी auditions थी मुझे दूसरों का पता नहीं, but I was actually auditioning for months, several months at YRF, और मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं किस project के लिए audition कर रही. Many a times I've given cues for auditions जबकि the girl was not even needed. Just to help the male co-actor,
Yeah.
I would give cues and I would do it as practice, hoping that maybe one day a director will kind of see me.
Yeah.
So that's how I got fan, because Manish ended up seeing an improv I did with another actor for a scene that was not even for me. So again, this is how things connect.
Connect. That's why destiny.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you what I wanted to ask you. I read somewhere that there were about 700 girls
That's
who
wild.
were auditioned
Yeah.
and you got it. You know, and the fact that 700 लोग, 7 में भी अगर एक को मिल जाए बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. 700 में एक को मिलना, I think that for me I would have been on a rocket of confidence कि like भाई कुछ तो है मेरे में, you know. It's a great achievement if that is what it was. But the question that I want to ask, let's say the first movie is done. ये हो गया, 700 लोगों में से आपको रोल मिल गया. Then you kept auditioning, kept doing your work. But that confidence that needs to sustain can go up and down.
Of course.
Basis your wait period of your next project. That wait period, how does that decide, or probably, I don't know, how does that sort of channel an actor to then doing their next project? Do they feel कि अभी मेरे को ये इसलिए मिला है और मुझे ये इसलिए करना चाहिए क्योंकि ये अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट है, या इसमें रोल ज्यादा है, या अब कुछ नहीं है तो मुझे ये करना है to be relevant? Like what happens in these things?
I think it depends on what stage you're at in your career. पहले जब आप शुरू कर रहे हैं, मेरा तो तब फोकस था कि बस काम करना है, हमें करते जाना है, कंसिस्टेंटली करना है.
Right.
तो तभी ये हम conditions नहीं डालते थे, you know, ज़्यादा पैसा, this that, then you just want to do that work, you want that opportunity.
Irrespective.
But as you kind of build your filmography, your work, you also want to be valued. You don't want to be undervalued in any capacity. I don't make decisions out of fear. Sometimes it's very natural to feel when you say no to something, you feel like, am I making a mistake?
Yeah.
This or that. But somewhere you have to believe in yourself and you have to realize that there's a reason why you may not want to do something. And this is also privilege that's come after a very long time. Very, very long
10
time.
years, yeah. It's a long
And
time.
I'm still, it still feels like I'm in that debut phase. बहुत आगे कुछ करना है. There's so much you want to do.
Yeah.
But what you do in that waiting period to your state of mind is what really forms you as an actor. Because it's very easy to slip.
Yeah.
Who have you surrounded yourself with? What is the energy that they're giving you? All of these things matter. और मैं तो कहती हूँ कि आजकल a lot of actors are misled into thinking that it's only social media. But what about your own homework? Are you doing workshops?
Yeah.
Are you watching things? An actor's homework is also watching things. जाके देखिए, museum जाइए, theatre जाइए, stage plays देखिए.
Yeah.
That is also my homework. So when I don't have these things, मैं travel करती हूँ, मैं कभी-कभी workshops करती हूँ, I'm reading screenplays, but that's because I like it.
Correct.
I enjoy it. It's not always just focusing on how much to increase your social media. While that's a great revenue,
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
get me wrong.
Yeah, for
Great
sure.
as a brand revenue.
Yeah.
But building your skill set is also important. Are you working on your body? Are you doing, what are the skills you're learning?
Yeah.
Dancing, singing, like all this makes you as an actor. So जब काम नहीं होता है, these are the things that I like to do. Or sometimes I just like to be.
Yeah, exist.
Just be. Thrive.
Thrive. Okay.
Just be.
Tell me something, Shreya. Have you ever felt that probably there was a great role, a great part that was yours, almost yours, and you lost it just probably because somebody had more social media following than you? Have you been a part of that?
If I have, I wouldn't know. But yes, it has happened that I've been locked for a film and then all of a sudden some casting decision has changed. You will never know the real reason why that has happened. Like the dynamics and the politics of that are completely different. But I've also been in a position where I have not known that I have replaced somebody last minute.
Oh.
That also can happen.
That also can happen. Yeah.
So you don't know You don't know really what happens at the back end
Correct.
of it. But I like to function by believing that if it's yours, it will find you. This anxiety that you feel, this FOMO that sometimes you can constantly feel, if I don't go to this party, that one person who was supposed to give me the role will not give me. ऐसा नहीं होता.
हाँ ना, ये networking वाला party वाला क्या scene है?
Networking is important, by the way. I do think it's important, but it's more important to just touch base to understand. That's fine. That's okay. But to think that if you don't go to that party, you will not get XYZ work means you don't have that much confidence in yourself.
Yeah, but it's also because you've not gotten bad reviews ever. There are no bad reviews.
I'm sure there must be. ऐसा नहीं है.
You know,
Hello,
अच्छी
touch
बात
wood
है ना,
करो.
touch wood.
हेजा.
No, it's a fact.
नहीं, some of my projects have had. ऐसा नहीं है.
Projects is different and actor's craft is different. No, you can't always equate it directly. I've not found anything on the net.
Were you looking bad reviews?
No, Chat GPT.
What are the bad reviews?
I haven't gotten bad reviews.
I'm sure there must be something.
No,
ऐसा
so
नहीं है.
It's not okay. But when I say bad, it's not like that she's a horrible performer or she can't. No, none of those.
Okay.
Yeah, it could be about
I'm
like,
glad.
maybe she could be used more in a particular series.
I have felt
Okay,
that.
Yeah.
I have felt that. Hello.
Yeah, but that I feel is not a bad thing. It's a great
Okay,
feedback
chalo,
that has
good,
come in.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So वही होता है. And I always say this. I had asked. I don't remember who I did, but I had asked that, is it that an actor's craft is dependent on the success of a project, or it can be totally otherwise also?
But it also depends.
It's a mix of both.
I'll tell you why. Because you may be doing a very good job. You may be excellent
Yeah.
in a film. But if the film doesn't do well, then your perception and mounting is looked at differently.
Right.
Vis-a-vis you being absolutely okay in a film. But if the film does well, then everybody benefits from it. Nothing succeeds like success.
True. Yeah.
Which is why perhaps I feel that because Fan had got such mixed reviews, and not that I had a mounting of a heroine in it,
Yeah.
but I was still opposite.
Shah Rukh Khan.
SRK.
Yeah.
But I did not sort of do my PR around it like that. It's also a strategy, right?
Yeah.
I didn't know. I didn't know how to go about it. Technically, I could have put myself on the cover of a magazine. I didn't know. You learn these things with time. Now you know how to
Yeah.
do these things better.
Yeah.
And you try and you do it.
True.
And today I feel like the lot that's coming in is guided really well, mentored really well.
Yeah.
They're already famous and established 2 years
Yeah.
before they enter. So the
True.
fan base is ready.
That's true. You
Yeah.
said
A lot
that
of
very well.
strategy goes into it.
For sure. In
Yeah.
fact, मुझे तो अभी देखा है कि अगर 1 सेकंड का भी पार्ट किया तो पूरी रीलें बन रही है उसके ऊपर. Like
But
that
this
also
is
happens, which
now-
is great PR.
A lot of it, showbiz, often is a game of perception.
Yeah.
Even though it should ideally be a game of substance and perception,
Both. Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Chhal Kapat is the deception.
The deception. It's going to be fun, guys. Go watch.
I'm very
True.
excited to
Yeah.
watch it as well.
Thank you.
But thank you, Shreya. This
Thank
was
you.
Great. I had
So
a.
glad.
I know these longer chats feel more comforting.
Yes, people are going to say I pretended to eat because I literally had just one. But
मैं तो खा
I
ली.
didn't want to like chew like a cow and
हाँ,
talking.
फिर तो it's शादी.
फिर लोग बोलेंगे ये ऐसे खा के इंटरव्यू
ये क्या इतना क्या खा हर चीज में तो उनको नुक्स
बिल्कुल. So जब कैमरास कटेंगे तो हम बैठ के बिल्कुल
this
खाएंगे.
chop से goes and
Yeah.
hands are like getting into it as well.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so much. I'm looking forward to Chhal
Thank
Kapat. I'm looking
you.
forward to you inspiring me a bit more.
Thank you so
क्या पता अगली बार मैं गन लेके बैठूं ऐसे interviews में ना.
Well, maybe not that. Maybe like being sharper and not gun.
No, वैसा वाला और चाय.
Yes.
I'll be like, hi, what's up?
Totally. Or something else in that.
Once I get to know what you're doing, because अब तो हमें पता नहीं है क्या
Yes,
है.
yes.
I like the fact that this time we don't have screeners yet. It's a surprise कि क्या देखना हम सबके साथ देखें.
मेरे लिए भी सरप्राइज है because मैंने भी अब तक देखा नहीं है.
Oh, but we also haven't seen any. Wow, so
I'm
6 June it is for both of us
Yes,
to watch and for
yes,
everybody else as well.
yes.
So thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm gonna share
Risha.
food.
Yes, thank you.